sometimes the designer want to use a customized gear for their Unscrew mode design, but you will find the noise issue and even stock issue while the gears running, because the customized manufacture process is not, you cannot guarantee the surface finish, you cannot guarantee the tolerance, you cannot guarantee the circularity, the perpendicular. You don't know how to design your clearance between the gears. But if you use a standard one, the clearance is already written there, and the clearance data is approved by the manufacturer. So